morning, Merry Christmas. It's 8:10 on Christmas Eve, and I'm here to announce the winner of the Oxford Sandy Black Pig Group Foundation Charity Christmas Competition 2024. Just want to thank everyone for keeping me inspired with the questions along the way, with the comments, and some of the lovely feedback I've got, which is really nice. It makes doing it that whole much more meaningful. We've had a lot of correct answers, and a lot of incorrect answers, but the people that I've got the answer correct are in the wheel of names, and we're going to go across to the wheel of names now to see who the winner is. Right, so let's shuffle these names up and spin. There you go, Sally Dunkley. Congratulations, Sally. I will be in touch to let you know, and we can arrange where to send the lovely gift from Inkbird, the hydrostat and thermometer set up to make your charcuterie cabinet, the River Cottage smoking and curing cookbook, and the Westenfelder Chorizo and Salami starter pack that's got everything you need apart from the pork to make your own salamis and chorizos. Anyway, Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope everyone has a lovely time over Christmas and gets some downtime. And here's to a very positive 2025. Anyway.